So this is the newest project. I picked this up for a whopping $90. As is, I had to completely redo the brackets and put new running boards on it and recarpet it, put brand new lights on it, all new wiring harness, and yeah, I've already spent more on parts than I did on the initial purchase price. So, let's get to the reason why this was absolutely free. Other than the nasty, like, moldy seat. No, the way I bought this was it came in pieces. The guy had submerged this jet ski and thought it was a good idea just to completely rip everything out without really testing it and emptying out the water from it. Upon doing so, everything actually looked decently fine, except for a couple of the electronics. This is mostly just a little bit of surface rust from it being open, but the engine does turn perfectly fine as I'm over here struggling. But anyways, I just started working on these carburetors. Upon opening them up, they are pretty dirty. One worse than the other. Luckily, it came with a kit. Hey, there we go. Awesome. So, that saves me some money there. Here we go. A rebuild kit. So, I don't know where any of this goes yet. We're gonna find out. So, a bunch of bolts to who knows where. This looks brand new. No idea what that is yet. This thing took on water because this thing looks atrocious. Just everything has a layer of rusty dust on it. It's ridiculous. Ah, here we go. I'm assuming that's what this part is replacing, because this has a hole on it. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm seriously hoping that is it and I don't have to buy any other electronics for this thing, because if we come inside, I've already started cleaning these things up. I already started kind of surfacing these, cleaning it up. I don't know what's under that. I don't know if that kit comes with this gasket. I'm hoping so, because it's already torn. But I gotta clean that side up. I started working this one. The paper that I had ended up ripping, so that one still needs quite a bit of cleaning up to do. This also needs to be done up some more. It was kind of hard since there is a lip on here. And then this side too is trying to clean those up. Here's some more surface rust. These are actually not bad though. This is seriously just surface rust. There you go, comes right off. I'm hoping that this is all going to go back together perfectly fine. You know, cross my fingers. But I will probably go ahead and give this thing a very light honing. Just to help out a little bit, but we'll see.